Today guys, pag-usapan lang natin itong breaking news dito and yung other updates, developments, and yung opinion ko dito guys, kung ano nga ba yung masasabi ko dito as community, ask kung ano yung opinion ko dito and other updates like dito kay X-Empire to be listed na. It's a mini app kay Telegram ito. So, bigyan ko dito ng updates. Pero for now, punta muna tayo dito guys, no? Isa sa mainit-init ito na issue ngayon. And we'll see kung ano yung mangyayari in the next coming months dito guys, no? Pero bago tayo dito magsimula sa ating topic discussion is that kung hindi nyo pa na-like ng video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? Bagong balita ito, no? I mean, hindi na pala bago to guys. It was happened nung mga nakarang taon. And sa akin naman, ito will respect regulation guys, no? Isa sa mga I'm one of the advocate ng regulation, no? Pero if sa mga gantong issues, for me, kailangan balance lang guys, no? So, I can see this approach guys, no? Itong approach na ito ni for me it seems like counterproductive and could end up ito ng like prioritizing doon sa compliance over safety and growth ng users sa crypto space, no? So yung mga international platforms like OKX and BitGet, for me guys, no, I can see some advanced features like yung tinatawag na Merkle tree, no? So yung Merkle tree provides users with greater transparency, confidence, and their funds potentially secure. But then again guys, crypto is crypto. Anything na mayroong value is risky guys, no? So ito for me guys, like for example itong si OKX, no, isa sa mga application na ginagamit ko dahil meron silang tinatawag na proof of reserves na Merkle tree. So if we go here sa DeFi Llama and puntahan natin itong centralized exchange transparency ito. So check natin dito. We can see na sobrang 1:1 yung kanilang reserve dito guys, no? Like for example this one, yung assets nila dito is nasa 18.7 billion in USD. Clean reserve nila dito, which is this is like Merkle tree proof of reserves guys, no? Ito. So dito makikita natin na naka-back yung asset ng users by 1:1. So isa ito sa magandang features for like for example OKX guys, no? So dito itong issue na ito is like it was happened na from the past, no? It was happening kay Binance, it was banned already. Pero for me guys, no, it's my own opinion lang dito na sana naman, no, sana naman na they have this fully considered the preference and behaviors of like the actual users talaga, no, in their efforts na mag-ban nung platforms like Binance before, kasi it was banned pero their calls for regulatory action. Binance remains operational in the Philippines, no? Operational pa rin dito sa atin as the application is still available on the App Store and Play Store. So this indicates that based on user feedback, the platforms have not imposed a ban on the app, no? So yun yung isa sa mga kailangan siguro nila i-consider, na magkaroon man lang sila ng user feedback talaga totally para tingnan nila kung ano talaga yung feedback or survey ng user guys, no? So yun yung continue nga na available ng Binance despite of this approach nila nga is like suggest that maybe there may be significant user demand and trust in the platforms, no, sa service ng platform, no? So for me, no, ito logical perspective ko lang to guys, no, if we limit yung access ng mga platforms na ito solely because they aren't yet locally regulated, we're risking the innovation and security benefits na binibigay nila, no? So as we discussed kanina yung like this one, the Merkle tree, the proof of reserve sa assets na hinuhold mo guys, no? But then again, as mentioned, cryptocurrency is like risky one. Ang daming risk na kailangan nating i-consider dito, like for example the exchange risk, volatility risk, and other factors na pwedeng maibigay ng pag-hold ng crypto, guys, no? At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin naman yung may control on your assets. Ikaw yung may responsibility. And for me, a healthy and competitive market is essential for like driving movements, no? But by focusing too much on compliance without like accounting for security features na ino-offer nitong international platforms, for me, no, we hinder yung most important, ensuring yung safety ng mga user tapos growth in crypto market. So yeah, we'll see kung ano yung magiging developments dito, kung ano yung magiging approach ng both parties dito. So for now, I'll share lang itong X Empire bonus earn 1.65 billion X no rewards. You can just start, I think 7 days na lang ito as per recording this video. Yung official link na ito, guys, lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. And para na rin makayo sa mga phishing links online, guys. So pwede nyo itong puntahan that you can just get dito nung X price pool, guys, no? Yun, hope you get some insights dito, guys. Ano yung opinion ko? I give my own ideas, opinion lang dito. For me, balance lang din ako dito, neutral lang din ako dito, guys, no? But in terms of like crypto innovation, I'm one of the advocate din dyan. I'm one of advocate as well in regulation kasi it brings clarity to the user din yan, and other benefits pa, like for example, if they get totally regulated, marami ding mag-benefit like career opportunities for the Filipinos para sa blockchain technology, like if you have this like license, you have this like legal recourse, ganyang features, guys, no? So like data protection as well, crisis response, since if yung platform na yun is like regulated dito talaga sa atin, you have this local approach na pwede mong puntahan, maybe reach out, guys, na if ever man na merong mga negative issues happens on particular platform, guys, no, like insurance and safeguards, no? So ang daming mga features din if ever na they tend to coordinate both parties, guys, no? So yun, hope you get some insights dito, updates in my own opinion, guys, no? Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.